showing you how to update your file upload max size in your Laravel Valet installation. So actually it's just a matter of updating your PHP configuration file and your Nginx, or how do you pronounce it? It's Nginx configuration file. So here goes. So there are three keys that are really important: the memory limit, the upload max file size, and lastly the post max size, which is this. Now, in order for us to locate our PHP configuration file, we just need to type in our terminal php-i. Now, in this case, my PHP configuration file is located at this. Now, usually these three settings are found in this file. However, mine happens to have an additional ini file that is parsed, and this file overrides the settings found in this PHP ini file. So with that in mind, if you're like me or have a situation like me, you just go here, copy that up, and this time this is the one we're going to update. Paste that in and type some password. And we use sudo here so that we have root privileges to override these files, because normally they don't, you don't have right access to it. So it's important that if you cannot do it with just vi, you can issue a command sudo before the vi, so you can be able to update it. Now, okay, now I've pressed enter. Alright, so I have here the three items that I just mentioned. So memory limit, upload max file size, and post max size. Now they are set in currently at 128 megabytes. So in that case, I need this to go like 1 gig. Sorry, not 100 gigs. So I'll just type in 1000 MB. So that's probably 1024 if we translate that properly. So I'll just 1024 here. Now this 1024. Sorry, but now okay. Now I'll just save this up, right? And that's done. Now that's done. Now normally this would work. So our PHP configuration file is updated and it will use 1 gigs and all that. But in Laravel Valet, there's actually one key that is important if we say we have to upload file that are really big. So it's controlled by an Nginx configuration config, and it's called client max body size. So we need to update this as well. So our Nginx configuration file is located at via etc user local etc Nginx config. Now here is our, as we can see here, here is the client max body size. But if we scroll down below, really below, we can also see that there's an extra configuration file that is included by the default one, and it happens that this client max body size is overridden by the config file valet config. So we need to change it, not from here but to that valet config file. So I'll just quit this, and instead of going to Nginx, I'll just type in valet and valet config. Now as you can see, I've already changed it to 2000 M. That's equivalent to 2 gigs. Oh wow, I've really set it as high. But anyhow, this is how you do it, and this is where you change it. So in order to match things up, I'll just put this as 1 gig, and I'll write and save. So that's colon, you type colon WQ and type the apostrophe, or you can omit that as long as the apostrophe forces it to save. You don't have to ask things like, are you sure we did it? Yeah, so that's it, and now we're done. So now last thing is we just run Valet restart, and basically it will just restart our PHP, the Nginx server, and all the services that are related to Valet. So you have also the DNMS queue, and yeah, that's it. So I think this is good to go. So let's verify. So I have here a WordPress site running locally. So this is also saved, served by Laravel Valet. Yep. Okay, let's hit that. Okay. Oh, Casa Delphine. I'm sorry. Should be Casa Delphine and localhost. Right now. And yeah, just pretty minimum WordPress site. Oh, come on. Why is it redirecting? Yeah, anyhow, this is just used as one. So let's go to media, click add new. Now we can see that the max upload file size is set to 1 gig, and if I ever have to drag a gig's file or almost a gig's file, then this will work. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you and good luck.